Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. In this video, I'm going to be creating a Chelsea smile, something a bit like this. This will be my first special effects makeup tutorial I'm posting to YouTube. Why should you trust me? Why would you watch this tutorial if I haven't posted any SFX makeup before? Let me give you a sneak peek on some of the work that I've done before. I've created lots of different looks for the past 3 years. I've done your basic cuts to your sewn up mouth, items stuck to my face. This is why you should watch this video so you can learn how to do special effects makeup. If you do enjoy this video, please hit the massive thumbs up, and without further ado, let's jump into the tutorial. I've pinned my hair back because I don't want to get any latex or makeup in my hair. First step is to make sure your skin is clean where you're going to apply the latex. So taking a cotton pad and some micellar water, I'm going to wipe away this area here. Now let's get on with the makeup look. First, taking an eyebrow pencil, we're going to sketch out where we want our smile to go. Now we'll use this as a guideline when applying latex. So I'm going to use this latex here, which I got from Nye, and a brush you don't really care about because it could get ruined at the end of this process. Using that brush, I'm picking up some of the latex. Then I'm going to apply a thin layer to where I've drawn the outline. Be warned, this does smell quite strong. You may see my eyes water. Now that we've got that thin layer, before it dries, we're going to add a layer of tissue. Breaking the tissue into strips and then applying it directly to the face. This is going to get a bit hard to talk because the latex is restricting my mouth. But next I'm going to apply a layer of latex over the tissue. Then you wait for that to dry and then you repeat the process again. Now that we've done that process twice, I'm going to do it a third time, but this time do it slightly different. To make the Chelsea smile blend in more, to look more realistic, we have to blend it into the lip here. So this time I'm going to take the liquid latex into the lip line and apply some tissue there to make it seem more realistic. So first applying the latex around the lip, just like so, and taking a small piece of tissue and just applying it where I put that latex. Doing that to both the top and the bottom lip. Now we're going to take the liquid latex and blend out the edges. This again would help it look more realistic. And then we do exactly the same to the other side, and then I'll be back. Yes, using a hairdryer, just dry the latex. It's a lot quicker than waiting for it. And as you can see, it's very dry, as I can't really talk that much. Now we're going to try and make this look a bit more like skin. Taking a darker foundation, I'm going to apply this over the tissue and latex. I'm using a darker foundation as we're applying this over a white latex, so it won't look exactly the same as when you apply it to your skin. So just using a small concealer brush, I'm just tapping that foundation in. One of the easiest steps to this routine. Now I've got the latex covered, I'm just going to go in with a lighter concealer to sort out the colouring. You can probably see the texture in the latex and the colouring not matching exactly to my skin. Don't worry, with a bit of bruising and a bit of blood, that will all look better soon. So now it comes to the difficult part. We need to cut this to make the smile look extended from my mouth. So first what I'm going to do is take a Q-tip and go under the latex of where I want to cut it. So in the corner of the mouth here, and then just pushing it through as this lifts the latex off my skin, making it easier to cut. Now that I've done that, I'm going to take some scissors and be extra careful. But I'm going to go into that lift that I created and start cutting away. Making sure that you don't poke the other end of the scissors through the latex at the other end. Now to create a gap, I'm going to cut this the lip around the excess latex just to make a gap which we can fill in with blood. Doing this along the smile. Now we have cut the latex into the shape that we want, let's add some colour, some bruising. Let's make it look more realistic together. So taking some cream paint, these again are also from Ben Nye, we are going to add some colour to the wound. So first, inside of the wound, we want it to be like red, like blood. So to get the best colour payoff, we'll add a bit of red and black, as the blood is quite dark and it's not that red. So if I show you, if we just take the red alone, it's very red-like and it doesn't look like blood. So first we add that red, getting into those gaps of the latex so you can't see your normal skin under it. Then we're going to add some black. Then getting that smaller brush and getting in the gaps of the latex. So if you did have a split mouth like this, what else are you going to get? Bruising. Yeah, so let's add some bruising together. I'm taking the blue and purple from this palette. I'm going to go around the latex and creating some bruises. First, I'm just picking that purple colour and lightly stamping around the wound. Then picking up some blue and just doing the same. And then taking the clean brush, we're just going to blend those colours together without adding more product onto the skin. And there we go, bruising and colouring all done. Next we're going to add some fake scab blood to make the look more gory and realistic. So I'm going in with the Ben Nye Fresh Scab Blood. If you look inside the pot, it's a very thick and gooey consistency. Perfect for this kind of look. So what you're able to do is pick up some of the product on a brush and then we're going to push it into the open wound. Pushing it in. Basically, we want to fill up the gap with scab blood. Warning, this will get messy. If you don't have a brush you can use a Q-tip. In the same way, picking up the blood and pushing it on. Then what I like to do is take a small bit of the scab blood and then just blend it in with my lips. Again, making it look more realistic and making it look like it's all connected and it's not just the Chelsea smile and then the lips. That's why in the first clip before, I made them a bit more bruised. So the next step is to add those blood drips, and I'm going to do that with the Ben Nye Stage blood. This blood is more liquidy, so you're able to create those blood drops. But be careful, it is messy. So for this, we take a Q-tip and some of the blood, enough to create a nice drip, but not too much so it doesn't go everywhere. So what we do, we just apply it directly to the smile, letting it create its own natural drips. If you force it down your skin, it just won't look as good. So applying the product and then just letting it drip. Sorry, I probably got the mirror in the way there. So applying the product and letting it drip like so, and then catching the drip so it doesn't fall on your clothes. If you like the drip look but you want it to stop there, just push into the skin and that's how it works. So I'm going to do the other side as I might have gotten away for the other one. Again, picking up the blood and just stamping it on and letting it create its own drips. As simple as that, but it's hard to record. And that's the end of the look. I'm just going to give these a bit more time to fall down my face and then we'll reconvene to review the look. And here's the finished look. What do you think, guys? Let me know in the comments. I hope this makeup tutorial has helped you in some way, or if you've enjoyed watching it. And if you have enjoyed watching it, please hit the thumbs up, as it means so much to me. If you did like this sort of video, if you like special effects, SFX makeup, let me know in the comments. Maybe give me some ideas of what makeup looks you want me to create. Anyway, thank you so much for sticking to the end of the video. I'm guessing if you are here, you're one of my frequent followers, and I'm sorry for not uploading last week. My life got a bit in the way, but don't worry, I'm back and I'll be posting every Tuesday at 6 again. one last time, thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I hope to see you next week. Bye guys!